He was born in 1948 in a small village. His father was a humble farmer. As he was growing up, he started dreaming of a better life. At age 21, he graduated in chemistry and got his first job. Life went on. He got married, got a safe government job, had kids. One day, while shopping, he found out that the price of the most popular detergent powder has increased a lot. He said that the price is too high. Even he can create the same detergent powder at a much lower price. No one believed him. They told him to focus on his job. Still, his heart said he can create the same detergent all by himself. So, at age 36, he took a loan and inside his small house, he started experimenting, trying again and again to create the best detergent powder. And one night, as the world was fast asleep, he discovered success. His detergent powder was finally ready. He became very happy, as if his dream of a better life was now closer. Later, he requested retailers to keep his new product in their shop but was rejected. They will not sell a homemade detergent in their shop. That time he felt like giving up, but deep down his heart said he should keep trying. So after office hours, he would ride his bicycle and go door to door trying to sell his homemade detergent. People laughed at him. An educated science graduate was now selling detergent door to door. Some people didn't even allow him to enter their house, while some were rude, arrogant, but he ignored all of them. He just followed his heart, and at least he found a few customers. He promised them that he would return their money if they didn't like this product. They took his product, and a few days later, all of them came back, this time with a smile on their face, and gave him more orders. The word about his homemade detergent started spreading. Every day in his small house, he used to make detergent while his little daughter played with him. He loved his daughter a lot. He wanted to give her all the happiness. Almost 3 years passed by. His side business was now growing. He decided to leave his job and open a detergent workshop, but people advised him he shouldn't take these foolish risks. He now has a safe government job. What if the business failed? How would he take care of his family? Later, on a gloomy day, his daughter got injured in a road accident. He rushed to the hospital. When he reached there, he found out his beloved daughter has passed away. There were tears in his eyes. He couldn't believe it. He has lost his little girl. How can she die so early? Later, each passing day was difficult for him. He remembered her little things, her smile. He could not even concentrate on his work. One day, when his whole world appeared to be filled with darkness, that was the time he again listened to his heart. Deep down he knew he must continue on his path. He should not stop. Soon after, he left his job and started a small workshop in the memory of his daughter. He named his new company after her nickname. Now, over 3 decades after starting that small workshop, his company now has over 25,000 employees with a turnover of over 2 billion. All this was started by just one person, riding a bicycle, going door to door to sell his homemade product. He didn't have much money, no connections, no business degree. All he had was dream of a better future. All he did was he followed his heart. His name is Prasanbhai Patel, and the company which he started in the name of his daughter. We all know that company as Nirma. In life, whenever you feel confused, whenever you feel distracted, just listen to your heart. Just follow your heart. What we learn today from this story? We learn whenever people say anything to you, do not listen to them. They always keep on speaking like this. Just listen to your heart. It will tell you what you should do in every difficult time. In the same way, every time we fail in our life, then we go under a lot of stress, which means we have nothing other than to deliver our body. All these things do not get anything, so we should only trust ourselves. Always and always believe in yourself and follow our dream. Whatever is the saying, do not listen to everyone. Whenever you feel like I shouldn't listen to it, then always remember it. It has very deep meanings. Whichever path you choose and go on in it, don't ever stop. Don't think about that I can't do it. Just listen to your heart.